By using scanf, I am reading those two values. So whatever data user entered, first value will be assigned to A and second one will be assigned to B. I need to compare these two values. I mean values inside AB. I need to compare those two values. So we have if else conditional statements. If of inside the brackets, you need to mention the condition, whatever you need to check. So here, till here A and B contain some value. So value inside A is greater than B. For suppose, if A greater than B, which statement you need to execute means the value inside A you need to display and E is big like text you need to append. So comma A. So here backslash n. Suppose A contains 10 and B contains 5. So if 10 greater than 5, if of the given condition is true. If the condition is true, value 1 will be sent to if. If condition is false, value 0 will be sent to if. If getting value 1, execution will be moving inside. If getting value 0 means execution will not be moving inside. So now if A and B values are 10 and 5, 1 will be returned to if. So if of 1, execution will be moving inside. So 10 is big text it will be displaying. Suppose this condition is false, means A contains lesser value than B value. So this part it will be executing. Simple meaning like English. If else. So printf %d is big, comma B. So either of blocks it will be executing depending on this condition. If A is big, this statement will be executing. Otherwise, this statement will be executing. So in this line ending and in this line here also, you should not put semicolon here and here. You can implement multiple statements inside the if block. In the same way, inside the else block also you can implement multiple statements. So what are all the relational operators? Rajesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Relational operators ఏంటివి?
Less than or greater than, equal
less
to,
than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to, not equal to. Have you noted all operators, Ravi Kumar and Dimple?
Yes, ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Write down the example for if else. Using relational operator greater than. In the same way, you need to work with remaining relational operators. You can take any example. In your folder, some examples are there. Here you can check whether these two are equal or not by using this symbol. Single equal to will be assignment operator. Double equal to is the relational operator. It will be checking the relation. If you are mentioning single equal to means that will be assigning the right side value to left side variable. This is relational operator. If you want to display somewhat clear, %d is bigger than %d, like that you can mention. And here A comma B. Value inside A will be replacing here and value inside B will be replacing here. So if A and B contains 10 and 5, 10 is bigger than 5, like that it will be displaying. In the same way, here also you can clarify. %d is bigger than %d. In first %d position, B value it should be replaced, and in second %d, A value it should be replaced. So this order must be B comma A. You clear with these two statements, Dimple, Ravi Kumar?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. నోట్ చేయండి, అవుట్పుట్ నోట్ చేద్దాం. You can do practice with the biggest among 3 integers. That sample is there in your folder. Using multiple else if conditions. Biggest among 3 integers, you can practice later. రాజేష్, మీ రూమ్ లో బగ్గు, భార్గవు, అరుణ్ లేరా?
ఉన్నారు మేడం.
వాళ్ళు స్కై ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేసారా?
ఈరోజు వస్తారండి మేడం.
అదే వాళ్ళు రాలేదేంటి మొన్న శరణ్ వాళ్ళతో పాటు అని గుర్తొచ్చింది నాకు. అదే శశి వచ్చిన రోజు మీ రూమ్ లో మిగిలిన వాళ్ళు రాలేదేంటి అని డౌట్ వచ్చింది. శరణ్ కూడా రాలేదనుకుంటా కదా. శశి ఒక్కడే వచ్చాడా? Draw the memory allocation for A and B, and inside A and B you can mention these two values. Dimple, you installed Visual Studio?
Yes, ma'am.
2015?
No, 2019.
Since installed successfully?
Yeah, but I have some problem. Then I will ask to Chandu help me to how to execute program.
Okay. Ayipinda right now?
Yes, ma'am.
So with these remaining relational operators, you need to do work with some samples in our folder. Dimple and Ravi Kumar.
Okay, ma'am.
So like integer, I am working with the character data type. I am defining one character data type of variable, char ch. I am reading the value from the user. Enter one character I am asking. A character data type %C format specifier you need to use, comma, %ch. Now ch contains some character data, either A or B or C or D, like alphabet it will be maintaining. So I am checking whether it is vowel or consonant. What are all the vowels?
A, E, I, O, U.
Those 5 are the vowels. Remaining alphabets are consonants. So here I am checking whether variable ch is equal to data A. Ch is the variable name and A is the character type data I am checking. A is not a variable. A is not another variable. So to represent this is as character data, we need to put it inside the single quotes. Otherwise compiler will understand as it will be a variable and you are not defining that variable and you are using the same variable. So you are indicating that A is not a variable. This is character type data. For that representation, you need to put this character type data in single quotes. So CH is the variable, A is the data. Value inside CH will be comparing with A, data A. Okay. So if CH double equal to A, you need to display %C is vowel, comma CH. Now, these if else conditions inside the if or inside the else, you are representing only one statement, means no need to put the open brace and closing brace. If you are putting, no problem. Here if you are putting open brace and this is the closing brace, no need to put these two braces if block contains only one statement. If block contains multiple statements, you should put these braces. So I am neglecting. So else if CH equal to E. Here I am comparing CH with A. This is only one data. And we have 4 more vowels. So we need to compare again and again. So else space if of condition you need to mention. So same printf we can copy here. Suppose execution will be moving here, means CH contains E. So E is vowel text, it will be displayed. Backslash. Like that you need to repeat all remaining conditions. Copy, paste. Else if CH equal to I is vowel, it will be displayed. O. U. If CH contains A, execution will be moving inside this block. If CH contains E, execution will be moving here. CH contains I, this statement will be executing. So like that, if either of these all conditions false, means execution will be moving to last else condition. So other than these 5 characters means remaining all are consonants. So related statement you need to display. %C is consonant. So if CH contains X, for suppose X is consonant like the text, it will be displayed. So if, else if, like this, you can do multiple, you can check multiple conditions. Here you should not put semicolon at the end of the statements. Note on the program. Rajesh, me చెప్పాను already ఇది.
చెప్పారు మేడం.
చూడకుండా రాయండి మరి. అయిపోయిందా? రవికుమార్ అయిపోయిందా?
మ్యామ్ ఎండింగ్ లో ఉన్నాం. In these all if conditions, you are writing the same code inside, right? Same printf you are writing here, 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 and here. Same printf. So same code you are repeating. So instead of these all conditions, you can write only one if, and you can check with or logical operator. This symbol indicates or. So if ch equal to a or ch equal to e or ch equal to I. So every condition you should put inside the brackets, and every time you should mention or. If ch equal to a or ch equal to e or ch equal to I or ch equal to o or ch equal to u, then this lines of statement, this lines of code will be executing. I mean this block will be executing. So or means truth table. If either of condition is true, result will be true. That's why if either of these 5 conditions is true, execution will be moving inside and executing appropriate statement. Means if that time ch contains e, means e is vowel, like that it will be displaying. Other than these 5 conditions, I mean other than these 5 values, if ch contains x, means execution will be moving inside else block. So x is consonant, like that it will be displaying. So short chesam anamata, 5 else if ni short chesi r use chesi rasam. Just pakkana ee part raskondi. Just note down this part. So remaining 2 conditions also include here. ch equal to o, ch equal to u. Then close the if bracket. At the end, you need to close the if bracket. అయిపోయిందా? ఈ పార్టే. Yes ma'am.
Okay. So you are checking multiple conditions here. Else if like that you need to check. So these type of conditions you can check with switch case also. We have one more concept, switch case. So syntax will be like this: switch off. Value inside ch, you need to check either a or e or like some values. So switch off, that variable name you need to pass here.
switch of CH. Inside switch block, you can write number of cases using keyword case. Case space, whatever values you need to check with CH. First of all, case A. Whether if CH contains A, these statements will be executing. Means you can indicate some statements here. Printf %C is vowel, comma CH. So whatever all the conditions you need to check, write down as a case. So case E colon. Here you need to mention the statement. %C is vowel, comma CH. Case I. If these 5 conditions false means default, we are writing default colon printf %C is consonant, comma CH. See here, if CH contains A, internally the switch case will be checking whether CH double equal to A or not. If CH double equal to A, so the statements after this column will be executing. That means this printf will be executing. You can write multiple number of statements here. No need to open any brace here like if else. No need to open any brace here. If you are implementing 10 statements here, those all will be under case A. Those 10 statements will be under A. So no need to mention any open brace or closing brace. And here if CH double equal to A, first suppose CH contains A. So this case was matched. So execution will be moving inside. A is vowel like statement, it will be displaying. And then no need to compare this with this one, right? So CH contains E or not. No need to check. So for that, we need to break the execution here. I mean, we need to break the comparison from here. Like that, if CH double equal to E, if it will be matching means the statement will be executing, and then no need to compare with remaining cases. So you can break here. Break is the control statement in which block of statements it was executed means from that block execution will be moving directly to from outside that particular block. ఏ బ్లాక్ లో బ్రేక్ ఉంటే ఆ బ్లాక్ లో నుంచి డైరెక్ట్ గా బయటకు తీసుకొచ్చేస్తుంది ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ బ్రేక్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చినప్పుడు. సో which case it will be matching, we can't tell. So in every case, after true statements, we need to implement, we need to include break. Consonant ki ఎలాగో లాస్ట్ కదా, ఇక్కడ అవసరం లేదు. If CH double equal to A, printf and then break. So remaining conditions it will not be checking. If CH not equal to A, then it will be checking with immediate condition. Execution will not be moving here, so it will be comparing with E. If CH not equal to E, execution will not be moving here, it will be checking with CH equal to I. If this will be matching, for suppose execution will be moving here, I is vowel, it will be displaying, and then break. Executing break statement means execution will be directly skipped to this position. So remaining conditions it will not be comparing. So break ఏ బ్లాక్ ఇన్సైడ్ అయితే ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయ్యి ఉందో ఆ బ్లాక్ లో నుండి ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ని స్కిప్ చేసి బయటకు తీసుకొస్తుంది ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ దాని దగ్గరకు వచ్చినప్పుడు. అది దాని ఫీచర్. స్విచ్ చివర సెమీకోలన్ పెట్టకూడదు. సేమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మనం ఎల్సిఫ్ యూజ్ చేసి రాసాం, మళ్ళీ స్విచ్ కేస్ యూజ్ చేసి సేమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తున్నాం. అది ఉంది కదా, ఇది ఎందుకు, ఇది ఉంది కదా, అది ఎందుకు అనుకోకుండా ఎల్సిఫ్ లో అయితే మనం రిలేషనల్ ఆపరేటర్స్ అన్నిటితోనూ వర్క్ చేయొచ్చు. గ్రేటర్ దాన్లు, లెస్ దాన్లు, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు, నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు. స్విచ్ అనేది డిఫాల్ట్ గా ఈక్వల్ టు కంపారిజన్ మాత్రమే చేస్తుంది. మనం ఎక్కడైనా ఈక్వల్ టు అని రిప్రజెంట్ చేసామా, డబుల్ ఈక్వల్ టు సింబల్ వాడామా, ఇక్కడ సింబల్ పెట్టల. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ చెకింగ్ CH double equal to A, CH double equal to E, CH double equal to I. Other than double equal to condition, it cannot check in switch case. While using else if else, we can check all relational operators. ఇది నోట్ చేసుకోండి. సో ఈక్వల్ టు చెక్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇది బెస్ట్ అన్నమాట. యాంపర్సండ్ అనేది అడ్రస్ ఆపరేటర్. క్యార్ సిహెచ్ అనే స్టేట్మెంట్ కంపైల్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు సిహెచ్ కి మెమరీ అలొకేషన్ జరుగుతుంది అంటున్నాను కదా. మెమరీ అలొకేషన్ జరిగింది అంటున్నాం అంటే దానికంటూ ఒక అడ్రస్ ఉంటుంది. మీకు తర్వాత పాయింటర్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు అడ్రస్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటాం. ఏ అడ్రస్ దగ్గర అయితే సిహెచ్ కి మెమరీ అలొకేషన్ జరిగిందో ఆ అడ్రస్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి డేటా పెట్టమని మీనింగ్. ఇంటింటికి అడ్రస్లు ఉన్నట్టే మెమరీలన్నిటికీ అడ్రస్లు ఉంటాయి. ఒక బాక్స్ కి ఒక అడ్రస్, దాన్ని ఆనుకుని ఉన్న బాక్స్ కి నెక్స్ట్ అడ్రస్, దాన్ని ఆనుకుని ఉన్న బాక్స్ కి నెక్స్ట్ అడ్రస్, అలాగా. సో సిహెచ్ కి ఏ మెమరీ బాక్స్ లొకేషన్ దగ్గర అయితే మెమరీ అలొకేట్ అయిందో అక్కడ డేటా పెట్టమని చెప్పి అడ్రస్ ఆపరేటర్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. Not put semicolon here. Suppose if you are comparing with integer data type of variable, if you are mentioning integer variable here and you are mentioning integer type data here, means no need to put single quotes here. For integer data, single quotes doesn't require. printf లో పెట్టాం, అది సింటాక్టికల్ గా printf ఇలా రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది. scanf లో మాత్రమే యాంపర్సండ్ వస్తుంది. అవును, ఫాస్ట్ గా రాయండి రాసే వాళ్ళిద్దరు. రవికుమార్ రాస్తారా? ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు ఈ 5 కేసెస్ లోను చూసుకుంటే ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ సేమ్ గా ఉన్నాయి. అంటే 5 కేసెస్ లో సేమ్ లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ రిపీటెడ్ గా రాశారు. దీన్ని మళ్ళీ షార్ట్ చేయడానికి ఈ అన్ని ప్లేసెస్ లోను వీటిని మెన్షన్ చేయకపోయినా పర్లేదు. You can mention at last case. In these all 5 cases, you are implementing same code. So no need to repeat those 2 lines of code. In these 5 cases, you can mention those 2 lines, 2 statements in at last case. So if CH becomes A, execution will be moving here. If CH contains E, execution will be moving here. If CH contains I, execution. So if either of these all 5 cases matched, means execution will be moving to these 2 conditions, these 2 statements. ఏ ఒక్కటి మ్యాచ్ అయినా కానీ ఇక్కడికే వస్తుంది ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్. ఇంకా షార్ట్ చేసాం అనమాట. పర్టికులర్ 5 కేసెస్ కి ఒకలాంటి కోడింగ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలి. రిమైనింగ్ పర్టికులర్ 5 కేసెస్ కి ఒకలాంటి కోడింగ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలి. ఇంకో 5 కేసెస్ కి ఒకలాంటి కోడింగ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలి. ఇలాంటి ఆప్షన్స్ ఎక్కడ వచ్చాయి అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మీరు ఇలాగా 5 కేసెస్ ని ఖాళీగా వదిలేస్తారు. సో నో నీడ్ టు రైట్ ఎనీ కోడ్. సో ఈ 5 లో ఏది మ్యాచ్ అయినా కానీ ఈ లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. క్లియరా?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఏదో లేండి చిన్న విషయం అది, మీరు అక్కడక్కడ ఏ చదువుకుంటా ఉంటే అదే కనపడుతుంది, చిన్న విషయం అంతే. చూడండి, I want to display 1 to 5 numbers using for loop. So I am implementing for loop here. I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. So inside the for loop, I need to display value inside I with tab space. So %d \t and I. So it will be displaying this series, right? Now I need to display this whole series for 3 times. I need to display this row for 3 times. So now we have 3 rows. In every row, we have 5 column fields. In row number 1, we have 5 column fields. In row number 2, we have 5 column fields. In row number 3, we have 5 column fields. And that too, see, to display these 5 numbers, I am implementing this code. I need to repeat this series for 2 times, for 2 more times. So I need to implement this code for 2 more times, right? Now also the program, if you executed this program, means output will be like that. But we should not repeat this code like this. We should put this whole code in another loop. So to count that loop, I am defining another variable j. So I am writing the loop for j equal to 1. 3 times I need to repeat this whole for loop. So j less than or equal to 3, j plus plus. So this whole code I am putting inside another loop. So this code will be executing thrice. First j value will be 1. 1 less than or equal to 3, condition true. Execution will be moving inside. Now I value becomes 1. I less than or 1 less than or equal to 5, true. Execution will be moving inside. It will be displaying 1. And then this is inner for loop closing brace. So execution will be moving to here only, not here. So here I value becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 5, true. Again execution will be moving inside. It will be displaying number 2. And then inner for loop closing brace. So execution will be moving here. Till this condition fails, execution will be continuously here only, right? So this for loop will be displaying 1 to 5 numbers. And then I need to go to the second line. So for that, I am implementing one printf here, \n. What it will do? Cursor will be moving to new line on the console screen. And then this is the outer for loop closing brace. Now execution will be moving to this place, j plus plus. Now j value becomes 2. Now only j value becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 3, condition true. That means we are in second row now. So execution will be moving inside, and again from the starting it will be executing. I will be 1. Previously I value is 6. Now 6 will be replaced with 1. And then it will be checking with 1, it will display 1, and then 1 becomes 2, it will be checking and it will display 2. Like that, this whole for loop will be executing 5 times, and it will be displaying 1 to 5 numbers again. Once I becomes 6, execution will be terminating, and then execution will be moving to new line by executing this statement. Now outer for loop closing brace. If now j value becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 3, condition true. That means we are in third row now. Execution will be moving inside, and this whole for loop will be executing again for 5 times. So this third row it will be displaying now, and then cursor will be moving to new line. This is the closing brace for outer for loop. J plus plus means j value becomes 4. 4 less than or equal to 3, condition false. No execution will not be moving inside this block. So execution will be here. So for loop inside I am writing another for loop. This is called as nested loops. Loop contains another loop, nested loops. This is outer loop, this is inner loop. So every time outer loop indicates number of rows and inner loop indicates number of columns. How many rows we have? 3 rows. So 3 times outer loop it will be it has to repeat. And then how many columns we have? In every row we have 5 column fields. In every row we have 5 column fields. So fixed ga 5 times repeat avvali inner loop. So 5 times repeat ayye inner loop rasam. Andarki clear aidi? నోట్ చేసుకోండి. నెస్టెడ్ లూప్స్ అని పెట్టండి. అవుట్పుట్ ఇది వస్తుంది. ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇది నోట్ చేసుకోండి. తేజస్వి సిస్టమ్ అంతా రెడీనా?
నిన్ననే తెచ్చుకున్నాను మ్యామ్.
విజువల్ స్టూడియో వేయలేదు ఇంకా?